Looking for great steam mop deals for the holidays? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, the BISSELL PowerFresh Steam Mop provides superior steam cleaning with a fresh scent. For those tough, dried-on messes we all experience on our floors and on grout, use the flip-down easy scrubber brush to break up the dirt quickly and easily, by BISSELL. Number 2, the BISSELL PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop gives you versatile, natural steam cleaning of your home and a wide range of surfaces. When used as directed, it eliminates 99.9% of germs and bacteria using only water for a safe, natural clean. Another great product by BISSELL. Number 3, the PowerFresh Pet Steam Mop provides pet parents a safer and easier way to clean their floors. Cleaning with steam sanitizes floors, eliminating 99.9% of germs and bacteria using only water. So you don't have to worry about putting down harsh chemicals on your floors. Christmas 2018 last-minute sale is now online. Click this link below for real-time prices and offers. Get yours now.